Ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna play Airplane 3 because I'm a loser. Why not? Who is that hot guy? Who is that? Who is that? Who's that? Who's that? Wait, I have a method. Okay, this is perfect. Okay, so wait, is that apple? Is that an apple? Welcome everybody. Why do I have such a childish voice, bro? You're probably wondering why I guard you here, guys, here. Airplane 3. Why there's no audio? Oh, there is. Bro, I'm peeing and farting. I'm gonna pee. Okay. I am the Robloxian States Army General. Yeah, what's your name? You can call me General Giat. Okay. From this point on, everything I should say is, or else you will be dead from the team. Wow, he's so evil. I wanna slap him. Now please take a seat. Oh my God! I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do! Come on. Okay, I take a seat. Because I would be dead. Now let's get to the point. Okay. Ah! My husband! Ugh! My husband cheated on me. This is our husband. Perfect. His name is Ronald. More like Donald. If we have investigated. What did he do? Sit on a chair. That's where we are heading. Why I can't read, bro? Bro, why he's so sure? Like, Ronald has kidnapped the captain. Why he's shirtless? Honestly, wait, I mean faceless. Oh no! And that plane must be in danger. That is right. Luckily, the plane is still flying in autopilot mode, which means everyone is safe. Why he looks so handsome? Our mission is to stop Ronald. Wow. As we need to find that plane. We will find Donald Trump, Donald something, I don't know. But how? We will get to think. Good question. Follow me. Okay, I shouldn't make jokes about Donald Trump. I'm sorry if you were watching this somehow with Donald Trump. Okay, wait, do I need to Yeah, I'm next to him. I'm literally punching him. Okay, so what do we do? Everyone ready? Why I can read, bro? Yes, of course ready. Aye, aye, Captain. Let's hug the wall. Oh, I thought I actually did a corner glitch. Going down. No. Hug the wall. No! What is this? Okay, I'm going down. Welcome to the military cave. Wait, are you a caveman or what? That is how we gonna save the airplane from Ronald. Okay, but first let's get everyone set up. No one is leaving this place without a military outfit. Please take one behind you. Already take! Bro, I have it. I have a military, so I think nothing happens. I'm scared though. Did I die? Looking good. Bro, I thought I'm gonna die. What is this? Who is that? I'm playing this solo. So yeah. Bro, you're not even hitting it. You're not even typing in the keyboard. You're literally punching the keyboard. Not enough of foil. What do we need to get the foil? Oh, looks like we don't have enough foil. Okay, so what do? We will need to fill the plane tank completely before we can take off. Do you tell me it's an Abby? Bro, good thing I was playing Jato. Fun fact, I also was, I seen a random Abby game, Abby guy. I mean, he was named Shadow something. I don't know, but he was playing some Booba Tower or something. I think you have to do this, you have 100 seconds at least to do this, which is bad because, oh, there's no time limit? That's good because I suck at Abbies. I really suck at them. Okay. Bro, why does this feel weird? Bro, this is difficult. Whoa! That was a close one because they, move weird. Here we go. Place it here. Okay, there we go. I feel like something is hidden in here. I don't know why, but something neat. What is that? A teddy bear. Honestly, I mean, I watched a gameplay from some YouTuber. I forgot what was his name because it was like a 2 months ago, I think, somewhere like that. I'm holding this teddy bear because why not? Not only I'm gonna be like a noob, I'm gonna be a noob. Extra noob. Fat noob. Okay. Get it right! Oh god. So, is this gonna be really difficult? It feels kind of difficult, but is it that difficult? No. Luckily, my hardest tower is a hard difficulty, which was one of the biggest jumps I probably had in my life. I started playing Roblox somewhere in 2021 when I was younger, but I destroyed the phone, so this is my phone new. Okay, for real, 2021, somewhere early mid, or somewhere early, late 2020, I don't know. I was pretty young. I was maybe I don't know which grade, but it was pretty young. Why did I even do this? Are you kidding me? So guys, I am continuing. So yeah. This took me 20 minutes, so I'm pretty sure you didn't want to see the 20 boring minutes. So yeah, as you can see, I have a microphone. Bro, this is gonna be very hard. Okay, we did it! We actually did it. Okay, so we're gonna get the, you don't. Okay, so all we have to do is put this thing. So, okay. This is probably for an ending, I heard. So I'm gonna take it. Then we're gonna go there, and then we're gonna go there, and then... Bro, that was scary, bro, that was scary. Okay, I did it. Okay. Now, since we have this, we have to give it here. And now if we do this again, we are free! So yeah, let's do this and not forget about anything. So yeah. Okay. Bro, that was scary, bro. This is scary. Bro, I know this is really just a simple lobby, but because of the stupid mobile controls, bro, I'm feeling everything, bro. Like, I'm bad at everything. I should never say that this hobby is easy because I'm a mobile. This would be on PC. This would be one of the easiest things I ever have done in my life. So, yeah. Which one is freaking left, bro? Oh, there. That one is left. I'm gonna assume that this is probably gonna be the worst one since, like, already see like a spinner! Okay, this one's gonna be like really scary because it's probably insta-kill. Yep, this almost killed me. I think we feel like, gimme! Okay, finally. Ah! 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 Okay, so, yeah. Also, did you watch my top hat, like, screaming, something like that? I finally beat top hat, so it was so hard. Excellent. Now all are connected. Filling the tank. No! Filling tank. I feel like the microphone is a bit awful, but still, I'll use it. Like this. So yeah, I feel like the microphone makes it everything funny. Oh my god, that's silent! Is that like, oh my god, who is that? Is that like Michael Jackson or something? Okay. So yeah, guys. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Engine's ready. Oh! Wait! Oh my god! Ah! Okay, that's kind of scary. Bro, what are you doing? Bro, why are you bro, what are you doing? Bro, what are you are you fighting demons or what? Are you slaying someone, bro? What are you doing? Are you fighting something? Are you farting someone? Are you like peeing? Are you like stressed? Are you like nervous or something? Why? 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 Okay, never mind. Just at the end. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. 35 Robux? This is not worth it.